crazy. You can actually feel the texture of the paint. That's cute. And we got the SpongeBob streamers. Bounty in the Galaxy. Oh, they're cute. Yeah. All right, Scotty Too Hottie.
Boy, that cleaned out that freezer section. Ain't shit in here. Shit's gone, boy.
All right. One for the Scotty. Two for the Rose. And it's that triple soft. Or so they say. We're gonna go with triple for the triple. Little sandwich containers. We love that. Woo. Coming through with the bowls. BPA free. You get two. Pretty deep. Got two color options. The cutest little soap dispenser. Happy Daisy hand soap. This is cute. Alright, so if y'all got babies and y'all want them baby snacks, there's the little containers they can put their fingers in there and grab the little snacks and somewhat prevent making a mess. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of different colors, but these are pretty cute. We got the little air balloon, and then we got the bear. Yeah, these are so cute. $1.25. Baby, what is this? Come through Brookstone. Look at that. Y'all see the brand. Y'all recognize it. Dead Skin Repair. I don't know what that means, but it's Brookstone. We got the little hand sanitizer, antibacterial, what is it? Antibacterial hand wipes. Little keychain. And they got 3 colors. Dove Sensitive. The girlies with the psoriasis. Like 3 of them. You got them acne breakouts. This is what you need. You want to alternate between this soap and a moisturizing soap. Y'all look what I found. It's a little Crayola hand sanitizer. Jurassic Park. It's the nails. It's a little press on nails.
I need one of these.
The glue is not included, so y'all gotta get your own glue. This is cute. Little cat eye. Little purple cat eye. Okay, a little swirl. Swirly swirl. A little crisscross action going on there. It's like an ombre effect. But with the French. Just giving little stars. These are actually cute. Okay, so this is just regular nail polish. Look how cute. Yeah, these are giving aesthetic. They're so pretty. Marie Claire's Jelly Mint. These are actually really pretty polishes. Y'all, they even got the chrome nail powder. We got golds. We got blues. It's kind of like a peacock blue-green color. It's really pretty. Okay, so they got the brush on nail glue. The girlies that are big into DIY, like their own dip. This and some cornstarch. Who was it? Long Hair Pretty Nails? Long Hair Pretty Nails. Or Pretty Nails, Long Hair. But anyways, go check out her video. I believe she has a video on the nail glue with the cornstarch for your own dip.
I didn't manage to see it, or
yeah, the one in the back of school. The back of the school. All right, we got our haul.